7 a.m. I
Yeah.
believe. How has the experience been for you? What have you witnessed since 7 till now?
Well, I think the process has been smooth so far. Yes, I was here by 7. I was here by 6. The voters started lining up by 6:30. By 7 we started. Well, it's almost 10. So far everything is good.
Right. Now, what are your chances of winning? I know it's expected for you to say 100%, but what are your chances?
No, I can't say 100%, but I would say a huge majority because most of the voters won't change. And that's what they are clamoring for. They've seen the abysmal failure of this government, and some even confess to me that, look, John, 2020 we didn't vote for you, but 2024 I am voting for you because I want change.
Right. Now, Ayawaso West Wuogon is a very big constituency, particularly because there's a campus here. There's one of the biggest universities in Ghana here. Ahead of Saturday, what do you have to say to them?
Well, look, we are definitely winning this election. The students also want change. Sometimes when you speak to them, they feel their hardships. Their parents are complaining about their hardship, and they see that, look, on the 7th of December, they are going to definitely vote for the NDC because they want change and they want these guys to leave.
Now, today is for special voters, particularly security personnel and then media, and as well as persons who will be working on election day. What do you have to say to those people? Polls end at 5. There are some who are, voter apathy. They do not want to turn up. What do you have to say to persons like that?
Well, they should come and vote because they are voting for Ghana to reset. They are voting for Ghana to move forward in the right direction. So I'll urge each and every one of them to come out and vote.